Every morning gives you two choices. Keep thinking the same old thoughts, or see the world with a new mindset, a new belief. Challenges come to everyone, but what makes the difference is how you think. One mindset says, I can't do this. The other says, I'll try again. Your mindset is what turns failure into fuel. It whispers, get up. It pushes you when no one else does. It reminds you, you were made for more. A growth mindset means keep learning, keep evolving, keep becoming a better version of yourself every single day. Remember this, your mind is your most powerful weapon. If you can change your thoughts, you can change your whole world. Change your mindset and you'll change everything.